In recent years, we have watched a mass exodus of garment manufacturers leave the Los Angeles area, but we didn't. We built right here. My name's Jim, and we're livid. We used to manufacture everything overseas, but during the pandemic, we reshored everything. Our SBA PPP loan made it possible, allowing us to protect our skilled American workers. Last month, we pitched at Walmart's Road to Open Call. They see the potential of Livid on their shelves, but we would need to scale our capacity to meet their demand. The Patriot Pitch Prize will fund the automation and local jobs we need to capture that opportunity. But this is about more than just one purchase order. It's about proving that the American garment worker isn't a thing of the past. Help us make sure we can still manufacture apparel right here at home. We are Livid, and we are fighting for the future of American manufacturing.